हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू योर ओन यूट्यूब चैनल योर ओन पाठशाला ज्योतिशाला। तो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप सभी? आशा करती हूँ आप सभी अच्छे ही होंगे और अपनी पढ़ाई जोर शोर से कर रहे होंगे। आई एम हियर एट ब्लॉसम स्कूल एंड दिस इज द स्टोरी टाइम। लेट्स कंटिन्यू विद द महाभारत स्टोरी एंड टुडे इज द एपिसोड 6 of the same story. Okay, let's proceed. And before I proceed to the story, friends, if you have not subscribed to my channel until now, then do subscribe to my channel and also let me know in the comment section as to what kind of videos you would like to upload it for you. And if you do like it, please like and share with your friends. Let's continue. The way to the ultimate reality of life. Krishna said in a firm voice, "Why have you become so weak all of a sudden? What makes you such a coward? Be yourself and fight." Arjun replied, "And kill my gurus Bhishma and Dronacharya for what? For worldly gain, for pleasures drenched in blood. I am filled with pity and cannot think. This confusion can only be resolved by you, O great teacher. No amount of wealth could remove these sorrows. No, I will not fight." So he replied that I am filled with pity and cannot think. This confusion can only be resolved by you, O great teacher. So Arjuna is replying this to Krishna that you are a great teacher. You can only it is you who can solve my problem and no one else. No amount of wealth could remove these sorrows. Even if you pay me, even any amount of wealth cannot suffice me and remove my sorrows. No, I will not fight. So he disagreed. Arjuna clearly disagreed to Krishna that he is not ready to fight in the battle of Mahabharata. The soul is eternal. So let's proceed with the next part of the story. In the middle of the battlefield, said Krishna, "You are grieving over nothing. You should not worry about the living or the dead, because your real self, the Atma, the soul, is immortal and eternal. It leaves the worn out body just as human beings cast off worn out clothes and take on new ones. The soul cannot be slain, but it is indestructible. It is not slain when the body is slain, and that is why you should not grieve for the dead. Change is the law of life, and the wise and the learned are not deluded by it." So change is the law of life. Krishna says that change is the law of life, and the wise and the learned people, they are not deluded by it. They take life as it comes. So as life comes, they take life the same way. The death of him who is born is certain, and is the rebirth of him who dies. So the death of him who is born is certain, and so whoever is born has to die, and so is the rebirth of him who dies. And the person who has died will definitely, its soul, that is his soul, his or her soul, will definitely take a that is, here is your bag, Swaraj. Will take a body. The soul will definitely take a new body. Krishna will be reborn. Krishna brought home to him the truth about the everlasting nature of the spirit and the permanent and ultimate reality of life. Arjuna's duty was not to worry about anything, but to rise, face the inevitable, and fight. So this was Krishna's preaching given to Arjuna, and Krishna very much tried to influence Arjuna to take up his weapons once again and to fight. See you soon in the next video. Till then, क्योंकि पढ़ेगा इंडिया तभी तो बढ़ेगा इंडिया. See you soon. Bye bye.